Okay, fix the puzzle. Where is number 1? 1. Get number 1. Okay, next. Put it right here. Number 2. Where is number 2? 2. 3. Next. Very good. Next one. Next number. Put it properly. Okay. Next. Sige, go. Look at your work, Hazen. What's next to number 8? 9 and 10. Okay, very good. What is this? Farm animals. Cow, goat, chicken, horse, and very good. Okay, let's go right here. Now, you stand up right here. Stand up. Okay, and then get one. One ring. Go, Hazel right here. Get one. Go, reach mo. One. Get one. There, move. And then shoot the color blue. Where's the color blue? Shoot. Okay, next one. Hazel, get another one. Go, get. Sige, go. Reach mo. Stand up na lang. Stand up. No. Stand up properly. Inside yan. And then reach it. Reach it. Color blue. Okay, remove. Remove. Color. Shoot. Again. Look at your target. Okay, next one. Go. Reach again. Get another one. Get another one. Move. Go. Hazen, get. This one. Get. Hazen, get. Move. Shoot. Again. Do it again. Hazen, shoot it properly. No. Hazen, shoot it properly. Blue. Again. Blue. Okay, next one. Get. Remove. Shoot. Okay, next one. Go get next one. Hazen, hurry up. Stand up. No. Stand up ka muna. Go. Stand up first. Stand up. Okay, get the color green. Green. Yes. Go up. Look mo yung color. Look at the color. Again. Go. Color green. Where's the color green? Hazen. No, you throw it. Throw it. Hazen, throw. Color green. Hold it properly. Throw. Hazen, throw. Okay, next one. Get. Next one. One by one. Okay, remove. Okay, yellow. Very good. Next one. Go. Next one. Get. Go, look at your work. Go on. Okay, remove. Good, yellow. Again. Hazen, shoot it properly. Okay, next one. Get. Look. Get. Reach more. Go, Hazen. Yellow, shoot. Look at your work. Okay, next one. Hazen, next one. Go, reach it. Move, color red. Okay, very good. Next one. Hazen, go, get another one. Go, shoot. Here, Hazen. No, again, do it again. Stand up properly in the middle. Stand up properly in the middle. Stand up. Go, get the red one. Get. Remove. Hazen. Again. Do it again. Go, get. Shoot. Okay, next one. Go. Next one. Remove it. Okay, shoot. Red. Again. Do it properly. Again. Okay, next one. Go. Next one. Reach it. Shoot. Okay, next. Go, kaya mo yan. Go. Shoot. Next one. Go, get. Get the next one. Okay, go, shoot. Again, do it again. Okay, next one. Woo. Go, shoot. Yellow. Go, where's the other yellow? Yellow, Hazen, faster. Okay, next one. Get. Go. Shoot. Okay, very good. Okay, remove. Get one. Remove. Go, Hazen, remove. This one, pink. Go. Pink, color pink. Remove color pink. Shoot it right here. Shoot. Okay, next one. Pink. Remove. Go, Hazen. Remove. Color pink. Faster. Okay, next. Yellow. Go, yellow. Shoot. Next one. Yellow. Next, yellow. Shoot. Go. Very good. Next one. Yellow. That's how you remove a shirt. Go. Remove it. There you go. Next. Color yellow. Right here. Hazen. Go. Hazen right here. Hazen, look at your work. Hazen, nice here.
Go.
Remove it. Next one, green, remove. Go, remove it. Remove color green. Next, red.
No. Okay.
Go, Hazen. Next one, blue.
Okay, go.
Remove. There you go. Next one,
Next.
blue. Remove.
Careful.
Kaya mo yan. There you go. Next, blue.
Go.
Go. Nice one. Shoot it properly. Next,
Next one.
blue. Okay, next one. Blue. Shoot. Remove. Go. Shoot it properly. Next. Color red. Go. Hazen. Go. Red. Hazen. Focus on your work. Go. Color red. Remove it. Remove. Okay, next one. Red. Remove it. Red. Next. Red. Okay, kaya mo yan. Okay, next one. Go, Hazen. Shoot, shoot, go. Look at your step. Hazen. Okay, next one. Green. Next, color green. Go, step, step. Green. Go. Stay here. Go. Hazen, faster, focus on work. Next one, color red. Let's go. Go. Get the color red. Red. Go. Step. Blue. Hazen, go. Next one, get yellow green. Ayusin mo. Go, go. Stand. Stand. Green. Go back. Go. Blue. Step. Color blue. Hazen, tignan yung work mo. Color blue. Step. Next, purple. Get the purple green. Purple. Go. Again. Do it again. Ayusin mo po. Go. Orange. Orange. Go. Step. Hazen. Step. Go. Hazen. Go. Next one. Yellow. Get. Get. Yellow. Go. Faster. Move. Okay. Go. Very good. Next. Color red. Get. Red green. Go. Okay, next. Green. Green. Next. Do it again. Go. Green. Blue. Okay, get. Again. Okay, very good. Opposite of each picture. Look. Day, sun, high, weak, shallow, and few. What is the opposite of low? Low and okay, high. How about the opposite of many? Many. Okay, many. Next, put it properly. Hazen, put it properly. Hazen. Hazen, put it properly. Next, opposite of night. Night and no, night and shallow, no. What is the opposite of night? Moon. Okay, day, sun. Put it together. What is the opposite of deep? Deep and shallow. Next, strong. Strong and weak. Okay, very good. Next one. Full, awake, over, front, dirty, and near. Okay? What is the opposite of empty? Empty. And full. Okay, next. Opposite of under. Under the bridge. And awake, no. Again. Opposite of under. No, Hazen, look mo properly.
Under and no, again. Under the bridge and okay, over, under, over. Next, opposite of back. Back and front. How about sleep? Opposite of asleep. Sleep and okay, awake. Opposite of clean. Clean and dirty. And last one, opposite of far, near. Okay, good job. Okay, look at this one. Lock, toothbrush, hammer, basket, and cake. Okay, put it together. You're going to match the picture. What goes with the toothpaste? Toothpaste and okay, very good. How about the key? Key goes together with key and key. What goes together with the key? You choose key and no, look mo, susi. Key. Hazen, eyes here. What goes with the key? Key and look mo, susi. Key and Hazen, look. Eyes on your work. What goes with the key? What goes with the key? Key and no, again. Try it again. What goes with the key? Tignan mabuti. Key. Key and Hazen, lock. Open the lock. Key. Next one. What goes together with the nail? Nail. Okay, hammer. Next one. How about the candles? Candles. Cake or basket? What goes together with the candles? Okay, very good. Next one. Bowl. What goes together with the bowl? Basket. Okay, very good. Basket. Bowl. Next one. Look. Shoes, flower, paper, butter, and table. What goes together with chair? Chair and what goes together with the chair? Chair and okay, table. How about socks? Together with the socks. What goes together with the socks? Look at your work. Do it again. What goes together with the socks? Socks and ayusin mo po. Socks and shoes. Socks and shoes. Next, how about pencil? Pencil and okay, paper. Next, together with butterfly. Butterfly and flower or butter? Butterfly. Okay, flower. And the next one, bread and butter. Okay, nice one. Next one, rain boots, spade, glass, rabbit, remote, and easel. Okay, what goes together with the carrots? Carrots and go, put it together. Carrots and what? Hazen, eyes on your work. Carrots and Hazen, look at your work. What goes with the carrots? Okay, rabbit. Next, how about umbrella? Umbrella goes together with what? Umbrella. Hazen, dito tingin. Umbrella. What goes together with the umbrella? Look at your choices. Umbrella and no. Umbrella and what? No, not the easel. Umbrella and tignan mo pa yung choices mo. What goes with the umbrella? Hazen. Dito tingin, look. Hazen, what goes with the umbrella? Umbrella and what? No. Again, do it again. Umbrella and rain boots. Look, umbrella and rain boots. Next, how about TV? What goes with the TV? TV and TV. No, no. Again. Look at your choices. Hazen. TV and okay, remote. Very good. Next. How about bucket? What goes together with the bucket? Okay, good job. Next one. Pitcher. Pitcher and glass. Okay. Next, last one. Paintbrush and what is this? Easel. Okay, good job. Oops. Okay, Hazen, you're gonna follow pattern. Look at this. Look at your pattern, okay? Here you go. What's the first one? First, it's a... Look at this. What is this? What shape is this? Hazen. It's a... Okay, star. Shoot. Next to star, it's a... Okay, good job. Next to triangle. Oh, look. What is next to triangle? Look at your pattern. What is that?
What color is the feet?
No, again. No. No. Look at your pattern first. What is this, Hazen? Okay, next one. Look. Yep. Next to square, it's a... What's next to square? That's right. What's next to square? What is this?
Square.
This one. Oh, you're done with the square. Next one. What is this? Hazen. Hazen, look. What is this? Hazen, tignan mo to. This one. What is this? It's a... Oh, you get the flower. Good. Okay, next to flower, what is this? Okay, oval. Next one. Look mo, what's that? Okay, put the rainbow. Here, dito na tayo, here. Next to rainbow. Next to rainbow, look at your pattern. Next one. Next, Hazen, you're not looking at your pattern. What is this? Look at your pattern. Look, Hazen. Hazen. No. No. Do it again. No. Okay, next. Look. Next one. Look at your pattern, Hazen. What is this? No. No, Hazen, no. Put it back. Put it back right here. Hazen, eyes on your work. Put it back. What is this? What shape is this? Oh, you put it right here. Dito ka na. Next one. Next. Okay, very good. Try another one. Look at your pattern, ha? Okay, next one. Number pattern. Look at the numbers, okay? Look at this one. What number is this? Okay, you get number 6. Where's number 6? Okay, oh, shoot it right here. Shoot. Next to number 6. Number... Okay, 4. Next, number... Look. No. Hazen, look at this. Focus on your pattern. What is this? Where's number 9? You're not looking at your pattern. Go put number 9. 9. Hazen. Next one, number. Here. Next to number 3. Number. No, Hazen, do not remove. Next number.
7.
Next one. Next one. Eyes here. Number. Next. Number. Good. Number 2. Next to number 2. Do not remove. Next to number 2. What number is this? Number? What's si number 11? Saan si number 11? Next. Number?
1.
Okay, next. Number. Next number. No. Again. Do it again. No. No. Put it back, Hazen. Look at your pattern. What number is this? 5. Shoot number 5. Shoot number 5. Next one. Number. Number. No. No. Look at this. No. Do it again. What number is this? Number?
8.
Follow your pattern. Here. 8. Do it again. Where's number 8? Saan nalagay si number 8? Number 8. Go. Next number. Next. Okay, there you go. Waiting hands. Okay, you're going to follow color popsicle pattern. Okay, look at this pattern. Look at the color. Get mo. What's the first one? Insert, insert. Saan insert si orange? Hold mo. Insert. Where? Here, oh. Hawakan mo po. Dito. Look. Here. Next color. Hazen, what color is this? There's no color green. Again. Color. Look mo mabuti. What color is this? Yellow. Where's the color yellow? Yellow, Hazen. Hazen, yellow. Yellow.
Wait lang, Caleb.
Sige po, insert mo si yellow. Insert yellow. Again. Insert again. Yan. Okay, next to color yellow, color blue. Oh, look mo, color blue. Hazen, is this color blue? Where's the color blue? Blue. Blue. Color blue. Insert color blue. Okay, next color. Color. Okay. Next one. Yellow. Yellow, Hazen, yellow. Next to yellow, blue. Blue. Tignan mo pa yung color, Hazen. Hazen, blue. Is that color blue? No. Where is color blue? Look at your work. Blue. One by one. Blue lang. Blue. Which one is blue? Insert. Blue. Hazen, blue. Again. Last color. Orange. Okay, very good. Try another pattern. Next one. Waiting hands ka nga po ulit. Waiting hands. Next pattern. Wait, teacher. Okay, this one. Look. Look at the color. Color. Green. Good. Jason, look at your work. Green. Next to color green, color yellow. Is that color yellow? No. Yellow. Where is color yellow, Hazen? Yellow. Color yellow. Okay, next to color yellow, color blue. Blue, Hazen, blue. Okay, next to color blue. Look at your pattern first. Look at your pattern first. Look. This one. Blue. Next, green. Nasa si color green. Put mo properly. Okay, next. Color. Yellow. Yellow. Okay, next color. Blue. Blue, blue. Next to color blue, the last color. Hazel, what's the last color? Look at your pattern. Color. Okay, green. Where's the color green? Okay, very good. High five, teacher. Waiting hands po. Waiting hands, please. Thank you. Waiting hands properly. You read the animal's name, ha? Wait for teacher. Wait for teacher. Okay, Hazen, can you get where is the rabbit? The word rabbit. Rabbit. Okay, very good. Rabbit, shoot. How about hippo? Hippo. Where's the hippo? Hippo. Oh, look my word. Hippo. H for hippo. Where's the hippo? Oh, that's hedgehog. Ate, that's hedgehog. Where's the hippo? Where's the hippo? Hippo. That's the hippo. Yan. Next, fox. How about the word fox? Fox. Fox. Where is it? Read mo po. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. F-O-X. Okay, very good. Next. How about lion? Look for the word lion. Okay, nice one. Next. Bear. How about the bear? Bear. Bear. Okay. Next. Raccoon. Raccoon. Okay, good job, Hazen. Raccoon. Elephant. Elephant. Nice one. Next. Owl. Owl. Okay, next one. Tiger. How about tiger? Next. Deer. Deer. Next. Oh, listen to teacher first. How about squirrel? Squirrel. Oops. Squirrel. And then last one, hedgehog. Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, explain this one. Put it together. Yeah, very good. Cross. Okay, nice one. Next, triangle. Put it together. Ikot. Yan. Oops. Finish. Next one. So, triangle. Ikot. Spin. Hold mo properly. Go. Finish. More. Okay, next. Square. How about the square? Square. Nice one. Hexagon. Hexagon. Look at your work. Okay, cross. Cross. Next, cross. Okay, next one, square. Look at your work. Okay, hexagon. Finish. Triangle. Look mo, look. Okay, hexagon. Look mo yung work mo. Okay, square. Okay, good job. Waiting hands. Now look. Color red. Put it together. Red. Color red. Put. Go, Hazen. Finish. Okay, next. Color, orange. Put it together, orange. Oh, look mo properly. Hold it properly. Go, put it together, Ethan. Close it, put it together. Okay, next, yellow. Yellow. Hazen, dito tingin. Look at your work. Hazen, focus on your work. Done. Next, purple. Purple. Put it together. Close it. Okay, next. Color green. Green. Color green. Go. Go, last one. Next. Oh, look mo properly. Put it together. Hazen, look at your work. Hazen, you focus on your work. Put it together. Okay, very good. Okay, Hazen, let's do sorting. Look at this one. What is this? Soap, washing machine, laundry, dirty, clothes, dirty. Okay, how about this one? What is this? Closet, clean clothes, dirty clothes, and clean clothes. Okay, you're going to sort the clothes. Oh, look at this picture. Is this clean or dirty? Oops. Look at the short. Clean or dirty? Okay, very good. Clean short. How about this white t-shirt? Is it clean or dirty? Okay, very good. Baliktad, Hazen. Nasaan yung t-shirt? Baliktad, oh, like this. Face mo. Next, how about this green short? Clean or dirty? Oh, look mo mabuti. Look at the stain. Is it clean or dirty? No, again. Hazen, look at the picture. Clean clothes or dirty clothes? You look at the picture, Hazen. Next, t-shirt. Sige, go. Di ba trimog? Next, t-shirt. Clean or dirty? Again. Hazen, you look at the picture. Is this clean or dirty? Tignan mo po yung shirt. Look at the shirt. Clean or dirty? Put it properly. Okay, clean clothes. Next one, look at the short. Look at the short. Clean or dirty? Okay, very good. Next, t-shirt. Clean or... Look mo muna this one. Look. Clean or dirty? Again, tignan mo po ang t-shirt. Is this clean or dirty? Ikaw po magpuput. Clean or dirty? Okay, next one. Short. Clean or dirty? Look at the short. Is that clean or dirty? Okay, next one. Wait, lagyan natin ng glue. Okay, next. Look at the shirt. Look at the picture. Clean or dirty? Okay, good job. Next one. Clean or dirty? Okay, last one. Clean or dirty? Okay, high five. Dirty clothes and clean clothes. Washing machine and closet. Okay? Shaking hands. Okay, you look at the puzzle. Okay, match. Look. Where is the color blue? Green. Orange. Blue. Brown. Orange. Pink. Pink. Purple. Purple. White. Gray. Pink. Green. Brown. Brown. No, color brown. This one, brown. Blue. Purple. Yellow. Next, gray. Yellow. White. White. Green. Last one, green. Okay, there you go. Great teacher, high five. Nice one. Raising hands. Okay, here you go. Insert the fruits and vegetables. Okay? Get ka ng 1 and then you insert. There you go. Get 1 and insert. Fruits and vegetables. That's 1. Go Hazen. Fruits and vegetables. Insert, insert. Oops, careful. Go. Insert. Apple. Next one. Go, go, go. Radish. Insert radish. Next. Look at your work. Carrot. Next one. Hazen. Hazen. Focus on your work. Dito ang tingin. Next one. Hazen, go. Hazen, care. Insert. Next one. Hazen, next. Mushroom. Look at your work.
Keep properly. Properly.
Next. Pumpkin.
Okay, our color is this.
Pumpkin. Insert pumpkin. Next, carrot.
Yes, okay.
Carrot. How about orange? Orange. Pineapple. Pineapple. Next, pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Can you say the lady?
Insert pumpkin. Oops. Look, look. And then pear. Okay, very good. Okay, Hazen, look at the facial expression of each picture, ha? Where is the sad face? Okay, very good. How about the laughing face? Laughing. How about the winky face? Winky. Crying face. Crying. Loving face. Loving. Sick face. Sick. Sick. Where is it? Look mo mabuti. Scared face. Scared. Smile. Smiley. Smile. Happy. Happy. Next. Shock. Shock face. Angry face. And okay, very good. Okay, raising hands. Okay, insert, huh? Look. Purple. Next, yellow. Go, look at the work. Next, color pink. Purple. Purple. Orange. Next, pink. Blue. Purple. Yellow. Blue. Yellow. Next. Yellow. Next one. Pink. Pink. Orange. Next. Hazen. Next one. Orange. Look at your work. Hazen. Hazen. Next one. Next. Do not remove na. Look at the hole. Next, orange. Next one. Blue. Okay, last one. Yellow. There you go. High five. Waiting hands. Thank you. Next one. Sort the colors, okay? Look. Orange. 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 Next. Red. Blue. Blue. Green. Red. Red. Look. Color. Red. Nasaan si color red? Pink. Go. Color red. Kasi color red. Red. Go. Next. Pink. Next one. Pink. Next. Blue. Pink. Green. Yellow. Green. Red. 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 Tingnan mo po ang kulay. Where's the color red? Next. Put color red. Red. Hazen, color red. Put. Go. Hazen, do not remove. Put the color red. Next, pink. Orange. Orange. Listen. Orange. Nasaan ang orange? Orange. Hazen, look at the color. Orange. Orange. Red. Listen, tignan mo. Red. Green. Green. Pink. Pink. Hazen, listen. Pink. Orange. Orange. Hazen, you listen. Blue. Pink. Pink. Hazen. Red. Orange. Orange. Next, yellow. Yellow. Red. Red. Green. Green. Blue. Blue. Next. Green. Green. Red. 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 Pink. 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 Next. Blue. Hazen, blue. Okay, very good. High five. Waiting hands, please. Waiting hands properly. Hazen, waiting hands. Waiting hands, waiting hands. Okay, put it the same color. Blue, green, purple, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, what color is this? Put it together. Next, how about this one? Color. Next, color. Good job. Next one, Hazen, color. Put it together. There you go. Next one. Okay, next. Go, go, go. You can do it. Eyes on your work. Okay, next one. Okay, good job. Next. Next. Nice. Next one. Next. No, this one here. Very good. Next one. Here you go. Here. Next. Next one. Very good. Next. Sige, go. Color. Okay, next one. Okay, very good. High five. Good job. Thank you. Picture of eggplant. Eggplant. Okay, put it right here. How about potato? Potato. Car. Car. Okay, very good. Next, banana. 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 Go. Banana. Banana. Go. Next, horse. Horse. Jacket. Jacket. Jeep. Jeep. Orange. Orange. Boat. Boat. Dog. Dog. Shirt. Shirt. Next, apple. Apple. Okay, next pictures. Next, dress. Dress. Pink dress. Dress. Next, grapes. Grapes. How about pig? Pig. Oink, oink, pig. Next, cat. Okay, how about mango? Onion. Onion. Next, socks. Tricycle. Tricycle. Go, you can do it. Coconut. Coconut. Or is it coconut? Okay, very good. Garlic. Garlic. Hazen, garlic. Yet. Airplane. Plane. Next, chicken. Chicken. How about the pants? Pants. Carrot. Carrot. Lettuce. Lettuce. Bike. 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 And cow. Okay, high five. Waiting hands. Thank you.